In today's interest rate markets, let's look at the 10-year note futures as they're moving higher today. 10-year note futures are recovering from a couple days of slightly lower price action to trade higher today. And with today's levels, we are moving back towards the top end of the recent range, which also corresponds with the top end of the range for the last several months. Currently priced at 111.12, which is just off the intraday highs as, again, the markets are maintaining some higher price action pretty much across all durations today. We're seeing the Treasury markets rally today, and the primary driver today appears to be continued concerns about economic activity. Valuations in the equity markets are now being called into question moving forward. We're seeing volatility persist in various asset classes, and that has increased the rotation, at least short term, it appears, into fixed income type vehicles, and treasuries are benefiting from that rotation right now as we continue to see buying pressure here. And again, when you look at just the general price action here in the Treasury markets, the entire curve's moving lower today. So in the case of the 10-year yield today, we're looking at a yield down 10 basis points to 422 basis points. The intraday low is 420 basis points. So we're 2 basis points off the intraday low print, but still near the low end of the range here for yields over the last several months. And the yield curve moving lower from the ones all the way out to the 30s, particularly where we're seeing yields lower any from 6 to 10 or 11 basis points, depending on where they fall on the curve. So heavy buying pressure in the Treasury markets here to start the week. The 10-year note futures, after a couple of days of lower prices, finding renewed strength and now pushing back up towards the top end of the range.